Obaseki don set up committee to chook eye for the salary increment of Edo judges. Edo State Governor Godwin Obaseki don set up one committee wey go include members of the executive and judiciary arms of government to do one talk on the fiscal implication of the industrial court judgment on the salaries of judges and justices for the country. E tok dis one for one meeting wey e do with the chief judge for Edo State, Justice Joe Acha, for Thursday for Government House, Benin City.
The chief judge, as usual, comes and we have periodic reviews of activities in the state, particularly as it affects the judiciary. And one of the issues we've come to talk about is the implication of the recent industrial court judgment on the remuneration of judges. We've agreed to set up a small committee of executive and judiciary to review the implications of the judgment in our budget. And I'm sure the report will be out by the time we come back from holiday. We can take it from there.
Justice Acha call Chuk mouth and say the judgment na something wey dem dey expect sake of say dem no dey pay judges wella. E come tok say e hope say dem fit table dis matter for the Nigeria Governors Forum (NGF).
The judgment is something that we all expected because the judges are grossly underpaid. But as His Excellency said, Edo State is one family. We can sit down together and see how we can move forward. Probably see how the Governors Forum can look into the contents of the judgment and move forward. Edo State as a state, we sit together with the body that the governor will set up and the head of the judiciary. And we are sure we'll come out with some solutions. If there's need to reach out to that, and Edo State can be a model, as we have always been.
Oluwatobi Odeshola, TMC TV News.